It's gotta be a largemouth. No, it's a smallmouth. This might be my best one on the fly yet. We're at least getting closer.